I pledge allegiance to the flag
of the United States of America,
and to the republic
for which it stands, one nation, under God,
indivisible,
with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Elijah.
And I'm Isaac. Welcome to Wolf TV. Here's the news for Friday, February 27th, 2026.
This weekend, we have an incredible 3 days off from school.
Get some rest, have fun, and be sure to complete any schoolwork that you need to finish. Enjoy it, Wolves.
Next Wednesday, March 4th, Westminster Public Schools will be hosting an open house from 5 to 6 p.m. at the Iver Ranum Innovation Campus.
The Ranum Open House will be available to all 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th graders interested in seeing all the incredible opportunities Ranum has to offer for students. Come out with your parents and take a look at this amazing campus.
Are you prepared to ride the Cyclone? Come see the musical Ride the Cyclone in the Joanna Ramsey Theater. Ride the Cyclone tells a story about 6 teenagers from a Canadian choir chamber who died in a tragic, unexpected roller coaster accident.
Showtimes will include Friday, March 13th from 7 to 9 p.m., March 14th from 2 to 4 p.m., and 7 to 9 p.m. Tickets are $7 for students and seniors and $10 for adults. Be sure you get your tickets before they run out to come see an eclectic performance from our amazing students.
Westy Wish Week is our annual charity event where we adopt a child from the Make-A-Wish Foundation and help their wish come true. We have a lot of events that you can participate in to help raise money for this week's wish kid, Levi.
Today, Donut Ice Truck will be here after school from 4 to 4:45 before the boys volleyball home opener.
Next Monday, we will host a pickleball tournament at Chicken and Pickle in Thornton from 5 to 8 p.m. You can register your team at the QR code on the screen.
Tuesday is Community Share Night at Culver's on 72nd from 5 to 8 p.m. Buy a delicious burger and fries and help raise money for Levi.
Wednesday is Community Skate Night at Skate City Arvada. Come hit the roller rink from 6 to 8 p.m. and have a good time for a great cause.
Next Thursday is 20% Give Back a Game Night at the Westminster Dave & Buster's. Play some games and make a difference.
Then on Friday, you and your friends can compete in the Wish Week Dodgeball Tournament. Dodge, duck, dip, dive, and dodge to help Levi reach his goal. Register your team with the QR code on the screen.
This week is our Wish Week Spirit Days. Today is Candyland Day. Tuesday is Checkmate between the upperclassmen and underclassmen.
Wednesday is Adopt Me Day where you can twin out with your bestie. Thursday is Rep Your Team Day. Be sure to wear your favorite team's jersey.
And lastly, Friday is Blue Out Day. Wear blue, Levi's favorite color, and show your support for this amazing human.
Now let's check in with Manny to see all the exciting news in Westy Sports.
Hey Wolves, I'm Manny. Let's check out what is happening in Westy Sports. Cheer clinics are still happening until March 13th on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. If you're still interested in this, be sure to check out the cheer clinics. Make sure you fill out the interest survey and scan the QR code for more information. Let's hear from Richard to see what's up with the Westy Book of the Week and Film Friday.
What's up everyone, I'm Richard, and for this week's Book of the Week, we have Her Radiant Curse by Elizabeth Lim. Her Radiant Curse by Elizabeth Lim is a fantasy novel about a princess cursed to bring death to anyone she touches. As she struggles with her dangerous power and her kingdom's expectations, she embarks on a journey of self-discovery, love, and breaking free from fate to reclaim her own destiny. Sounds interesting? You can check this book out in the Westy Library anytime you like.
Let us begin.
Hey, Gibbs! Gibbs, what is this?
Don't touch it. I told you not to touch it. The metal on the inside causes time displacement.
Time displacement?
Yeah, time displacement.
For this week's Film Friday, we have Matter of Time, which follows Charlie Fleck, a 29-year-old aspiring video game designer. He discovers a mysterious device that can stop time, giving him the chance to finally pursue the dreams he's never had time for.
Line is 3 months.
We will have a first-person shooter, or all of you are fired!
I'm your guy, Miles. Time displacement. What does that mean?
From what I understand, it stops time.
Charlie leans into the intoxicating power to pause life. The film asks what ambition costs and what and who we risk losing when we try to control the moments that shape us.
Lives ruined by this thing.
I think I can actually do this.
You couldn't get this done in a month. What is your secret?
You took our code and put it in your game.
You lose time every time you use it.
Matter of Time blends emotional character storytelling with genre-bending sci-fi elements, exploring friendship, purpose, grief, and the lengths we go to protect the people we love.
You are risking an awful lot for a video game. Good luck, Chuck.
Time was your enemy, but now it's your best friend.
So you're telling me that you need more time?
Don't time shame me. A magic ring does not solve all your problems.
Really?
Bring some friends and watch a good movie to end the week.
Hi Wolves, I'm Ida McCoy, your junior class president.
And I'm Isaiah Moreno, a Westminster High School student leader.
You might have heard some buzz already, but this year's prom theme is Midsummer's Night Dream.
Join us for a night full of whimsy and fun at Lionsgate Event Center in Lafayette. Then meet us for the after prom celebration at Malibu Jackson Thornton.
Prom tickets will go on sale on March 9th and end on March 20th. Each ticket is $70 with after prom bundle, it's only $80.
Doors open at 7 p.m. at Lionsgate. You can dance all you want till the clock strikes 11 p.m. Then everyone will head to Malibu Jacks for the after prom until 2 a.m. where we enjoy games, drive go-karts, play laser tag and more. See you there, Wolves!
What's up, Westy Wolves? I'm Mr. Albin, and we are currently planning a trip to Costa Rica during Spring Break 2027. And I'd absolutely be stoked if you joined me. This trip is made possible through the EF Foundation, and the first informational meeting will be held on Wednesday, March 11th, from 6 to 7 p.m. in the lecture hall. On this once-in-a-lifetime journey, you will experience zip lining through the rainforest, whitewater rafting in a biological reserve, hiking around an active volcano, and snorkeling in beautiful blue waters. You will also have the chance to tour a chocolate plantation and see how this sweet treat is produced. Stop by my room, A125, to get more information about this incredible ecological trip today. It's gonna be a hoot of a time.
And that's just about it for today's Wolf TV. Thanks for watching. I'm Elijah.
And I'm Isaac. Have a great day. We will see you next week after your amazing 3 days off.